Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can insert image to Google Sheets file on mobile. So here I've already opened the file, the Google Sheets app, sorry, on my phone. And let's open the file that I want to edit. For example, here I'm going to go with this files right here. And after that, okay, so just go to the cells or the part that you want to insert image. For example, here I'm going to go with this cells, and here click on the plus icon at the top, and there will pop up like this. And to insert image, you can just click on the image option and choose between these two. If you want to add it on cells, you can just click on the first one, and if you want to add over cells, you can just select the second one. So let's try on the over cells. Here choose if you want to take a picture directly, click on from camera. If you want to add image from the gallery, just click on from photos and select your image. So this is the image that I want to edit. You can see it is inserted over cells like this, and to resize you can just drag it like this or pinch out or pinch in the image. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.